There is no doubt that in order to make money, you must have a lot of money. However, in order to earn a lot of money, you must be well qualified or require a loan or grant. So, if you want to make money, a grant is the way to go. There are a variety of grants offered for various purposes. If you want to improve your qualifications but don't have the financial means to do so, you might apply for a government grant for educational purposes and gain a better job with a greater wage as a result of your higher education. This is also a viable source of revenue. If you have great credentials, you will almost certainly get hired in one of the top tiers. This type of education, particularly at the university level, is always too expensive. If you do not have the financial resources to continue, you can always apply for a government grant to assist you in achieving your objective. Grants are available to help you establish or improve your business. You will have greater returns and make money from your business if you develop and expand your current business. There are also grants available to help you remodel or renovate your house to make it more luxurious. Your property worth will rise as a result of this, and if you sell it now, you will profit. Options for making money. One option is to improve your qualifications and receive a raise in salary so that your savings and subsequent investments will pay off handsomely. Your measured and astute moves to maximize interest rates and investment returns will increase your net worth. To make money, you must first have money. If you wish to start a business but don't have the funds to do so, you'll have to take out another loan. You will profit from your business venture if your business acumen is excellent and you have wisely chosen the line. The profits can be reinvested in stocks, real estate, and new business endeavors. To be able to go far in your money-making plan, you must first get the ball rolling in the right direction. Start small and then expand. Even though you started your business modestly, if it generates profits that you carefully reinvest and expand the firm, you can eventually reach the pinnacle of success and have a sizable savings account. To make money, you only need to plan ahead and make the right steps. You may easily gain a decent amount of money by working hard and taking on extra jobs so that your earnings exceed your expenses. If you do this and save a significant quantity of money that you invest wisely, your money will grow and you will make a lot of money. Smart decisions combined with sound advice will carry you far and provide you with the best long-term results. If you take small steps in the right direction, you will never have to look back and will only be able to look forward to a prosperous life. Thank you for watching this video.